Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to calculate difference between two dates in Excel. Whether you are tracking project deadlines or just organizing your calendar, this trick will save you a ton of time. So let's start the video. First, open up your Excel spreadsheet. Here we have two columns, joining date and end date. We want to find out how many days are between these two dates. To calculate difference between two dates, we are going to use Excel formula DATEDIF, which requires three arguments: the start date, the end date, and the unit of time you want to calculate, like days, months, or years. So click on the cell where you want to calculate the difference. It's C2, and type in the following formula. You can copy this formula from the video description. Now press enter, and there you have it. The difference between two days appear in the cell C2. Simply drag it down through all the rows. Now if you want to get even more specific, then you can calculate the difference in days, months and years all at once. So click on the cell and type this formula. A2 represents the joining date and B2 end date. Now press enter. This formula combines the difference in years, months and days into one concise result. Super handy for detailed date calculations. So that's how to calculate difference between two dates in Excel. Thanks for watching.